Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Lewis and I'm from the Enrichment Room, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some really cool and easy maracas from the comfort of your home today. To get started, maracas are a really cool instrument. They're very decorative, they're very small and easy to hold, and they're very easy to play also. They're found in many Latin American rhythms and music, such as salsa music, Latin jazz, and also can be found in very different Afro-Cuban rhythms and beats from around all over the world. Um, but today we get to do that from some quick and easy steps from the comfort of your own home, and you get to make your own beats today, which is even more exciting. Before we get started, I just want to show you guys what materials we need, and we only need 4 easy things. So we need a can. You can find this anywhere in your kitchen pantry. If you have a can of soup, if you have some beans, anything of that nature, you just need a can. A rubber band. We need a plastic bag. Size doesn't matter either. And we need some rice. So the amount of rice varies. I just kind of use half a cup of rice, and I have it here as you can see to spread up. Quick and easy. All you're pretty much going to do is you're going to grab your can and you're going to pour that rice into your can. Alright, and that's going to be the inside. As you can see, that makes a little rattling sound that the maracas make already. Alright, and if you want to make more sound, you can definitely add more rice into it. I think about half a cup should be enough. So that fills that up. And then, as you guys can see, it's inside of my can. Well, you can't really see. Well, kind of dropped a little bit. Oopsies. But yes, it's inside my can. So now, we're going to grab a plastic bag, and we're going to pretty much place it over the can so that we create a tight surface onto it. That's going to be creating the bouncy sound for the rice to be able to bounce off of. So we make sure we push the can as tight as we can onto the bag, and we grab our rubber band, and you can either put it once around, or I like to do it twice just to give a little more stability. And we pretty much now have our maraca. And then the last step, you get to play it. So you get to mix some beats and do whatever you want to it. You can try to a song, try to make your own song. But yes, and also if you want to decorate it, you can kind of cut the bag around, you can decorate your can, do whatever you want. Maracas are very festive and decorative instruments. They usually have a lot of patterns and colors and different things engraved in them. So if you want to decorate your maracas also, definitely feel free. And feel free to send us a video of how your maracas came out also. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. We miss you all.